Hi, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today's special is Palada, a Payasam or Kheer. This is a very famous dessert in Kerala and a must for almost all the festivals in Kerala like Onam, Vishu, Christmas, Ramzan, and also on special occasions like weddings and birthdays. For making Palada, you need to get Ada packet, which is available in most of the Indian grocery stores. I took about 1.5 cups of Ada, washed it well, and soaked it in about 4 cups of boiled water. Cover it and let the Ada soak it for 30 minutes. Now we need to boil 3 liters of milk. I used whole milk in a vessel with heavy bottom. I boiled the milk in a milk cooker to speed up the process and poured it to the vessel. For making payasam, I am going to use pressure cooker. This is a huge pressure cooker. It's 10 liters pressure cooker. The capacity was 10 liters. Let the milk boil in the vessel. After 30 minutes, pour cold water to the soaked Ada, mix it well and drain it using a strainer. Add the Ada to the boiling milk. Let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. When you buy the Ada from the store, please make sure you get the broken kind. Sometimes some of the brands, they sell or they make Ada, the broader Adas. Those Adas, it will be hard to boil, hard to cook, and you won't get the authentic taste. Now you can add 4 cups of sugar to the Ada milk mix and let it boil. Taste it and add more sugar if needed. I had to add another half cup of sugar because I was using the sugar with small grains. Boil the mix for 20 to 25 minutes. The milk starts getting thickened and you can see the color of the milk changes to light pinkish. You will start getting the aroma of the payasam. Mix 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder in a separate vessel with little payasam and pour it to the payasam. I did the mistake of putting the powder to the payasam directly and had to spend some time to break all the lumps. You can see I'm trying to break all the cardamom lumps. Add 2 tablespoons butter or ghee. Mix well. Now the payasam is ready. Usually we don't put any dried fruits or nuts to this payasam, but if you like, you can fry cashew nuts and raisins in ghee and add that to the payasam. This will give you about 25 to 30 cups payasam. And it will serve about 20 to 30 people. This is a very tasty payasam and the kids will love this. They will enjoy the Palada or Kheer. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Have a nice day. Enjoy.